And once you're back on the WordPress dashboard, if you see this notification right here, all you have to do is click on this link and you're going to publish this website for everyone to see. If you don't see this, then you should be good to go already, and you can just log out and start sharing your website with everyone. So if you do see this, let's go ahead and click on this link that says click here. And now you should see this notification that says congratulations, your site is live. So we're pretty much done with this tutorial on how to make a WordPress website for free. What I want to do is just go to the homepage one more time with you and then just give you some final words of advice and encouragement, and again, congratulate you. So if you want, you can click on this link right here that says click here, or you can hover over the website name and click on visit site. And once your WordPress website loads, let me be the first to say congratulations on completing this video tutorial on how to make a WordPress website for free. If you have any comments or questions, you can always leave them in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Make sure to give the video a big thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe because we're always coming out with new content on how to use WordPress. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you created a beautiful website. I want to say congratulations one more time, and I hope to see you in the next video.